Hey y'all, this is Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and today I'm kind of sticking with the theme of some casseroles or some side dishes that you may want to make for your Thanksgiving dinner. Now this don't really have to be Thanksgiving. It can be any time of the year. This is good, and it's a hash brown casserole. This was my little go-to. There was a little barbecue restaurant in Charleston that had hash brown casserole on the buffet, and I'm telling you what, that's what I went for. I just went right past the barbecue. I went to that hash brown casserole and was just like a pig in mud. It made me very happy. But somebody gave me a recipe for it years ago, and this is casserole that I've made my children. It's easy to throw together, and it is so good. It really is so good. But you start with just a bag of the frozen shredded hash brown. Just going to put this in the bowl, and you can get any brand that you like. It's just fine. And I've got a stick of melted butter that I'm just going to pour right in here. And next we have some cream of chicken soup. Y'all, that cream of everything, now it is a go-to. I'm telling you, it is so good. Sorry I'm making so much racket, but I'm trying to just get all this love out this can. There we go. And it calls for a pint of sour cream, which is 16 ounces. So I know that sounds like a lot, but it's going to make this so rich and creamy. It is really, really good. People that don't eat sour cream actually still loves this recipe. They don't even know it's in it. Russ is one that just don't care for sour cream, and he eats this just fine. So not going to worry there. Now I am going to use Colby cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. You can use sharp, you can use medium, Colby Jack, but that's what I'm using today. And I'm going to go ahead and just stir this up first and kind of get this mixed together. Oh, and I forgot, I got some little chopped onions. You want about a half a cup of chopped onions. And these onions too give it so much flavor. Use my little handy dandy chopper here, y'all. And my little shredder. I'm telling you, if y'all don't have that, y'all are missing out. The chopper and the little cheese shredder or whatever you want to shred. I even shredded my own potatoes with it, and I made my own hash browns that way. But you want to, I have never used the fresh potatoes for this. I think it might have too much moisture, but we're going to give this a stir. And the only thing left is some seasoning, y'all, and some cheese. And then we're going to top it with some cheese. Now you can top this all kind of different ways. I have topped it with corn flakes and some butter. I'm just putting a little salt and pepper, and I'm gonna put onion powder, garlic powder, and a little accent in it. But and you just season as you like yours. But I've done this all kind of way. Like I said, I've done the little crushed corn flakes with some melted butter. I've done Ritz crackers, like I did that pineapple casserole. I'm just going to throw some cheese on it today. I know when you hear casserole, you think, oh, it's got to be covered in something. But anyway, that's what we're doing. And now, this is a great little recipe. You can dress this up all kind of different ways. I have put meat in it. I put chicken. I put hamburger. It's just very versatile. You can really do all kind of things with it. I have put barbecue pork in it and added some barbecue sauce. It's pretty good, I have to say. But you can just dress it up any kind of way. But it's really good. even like this. It's just fine. I'm gonna go back in with a little more black pepper here, of course. Now, give it a little stir. Now I have shredded an 8-ounce block of cheese. We're gonna see where it gets us. I'm gonna put in maybe about a cup inside, and then I'm gonna top it with the rest of that cheese on top. This is really good, y'all, and it's so very simple. I mean, anybody can do this. And this is the recipes, you know, like I said before, people's told me, you know, I've really learned a lot. I don't know how to cook at all. Give us something real easy that we can do. So this is definitely one of them. If you're a beginner, this is just delicious for you to try. I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole thing of cheese, and then I will shred some more to put on top. It does make a pretty big bowl of it. So we will have leftovers. I love this with barbecue chicken. I like it with meatloaf. I mean, just whatever. It is good. Get me a little paper towel here. Got sour cream on my fingers. Can't be having all that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my little casserole dish. We don't want any of that goodness sticking. There we go. Now, that stuff always makes me want to cough. All right. Yummy, yummy. Here we go. I think I got all the getting out of that. Probably could have just put it in a smaller one. I thought there was going to be a whole lot more in here. This is a really deep dish, but it's going to work out just fine. All right, I'm going to open up this cheese because we got to have something on top, some ooey gooey cheesy goodness. Let me open this. Now I've got my oven set on 350. She's raring to go. And you just want to cook it for about 45 minutes, really. Just kind of check it out. If the cheese is getting too brown, and you pull it out and you don't think the potatoes are quite done enough, it's kind of a little chewy or something, just let it go. Just put you some foil over it and just let it go. And get my little doodad here. Give us some more cheese. Get all that out the way. I just love how fast this thing works. I mean, I can do a whole block of cheese in no time. I may as well finish it off. I don't need all this, but I'm gonna get me a good seal right here. I'm just getting so excited for Thanksgiving. I don't know about y'all, but I'm so ready to see all my little sugar babies, all my little children and grandbabies, and my mom and dad, my in-laws and nieces and nephews, and it's gonna be really nice. All right, just spread me some more cheese on here, and I do know that's a lot of cheese, y'all. And you can reduce it. You don't have to do all that. Just do what you like. All right, this is what she looks like, y'all. About to pop this in the oven, and in about 45 minutes, we'll be back to see what she's looking like. All right, y'all, I have timed it as I promised, and it cooked for about 55 minutes. So I guess it's just according to your stove how fast it cooks. But normally between 45 minutes into an hour is probably a good time. But it is out of the oven, it's cheesy, it's gooey, it's goodness, and it's Russell's favorite time, y'all. So he's gonna come in here and give it a little taste. Come on, Russell. Don't be shy.
Hey there, YouTube land.
Shy he is not.
No, I'm not.
No, he is not.
Hey, Dan.
He almost forgot. You almost forgot, didn't you?
I forget it once in a while.
Yeah,
I'm old.
yeah.
Old people forget stuff.
It's all right. It's just a stove talking to us. It'll be all right.
We got all kind of new stuff. We got refrigerator sounds like a phone, and the stove makes
I don't
all
know
kind
why
of noise.
y'all
I don't know what all these noises are.
You can get something out in the refrigerator and close it, and it sounds like it's calling somebody.
Sounds just like a phone ringing. Like it's ringing. Like
I think it sounds like it's calling somebody. It's like It's hilarious.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, the phone's calling somebody, the fridge is calling somebody. But anyway.
Yeah, we have a lot going on with these appliances. We're still sorting it out.
It's just talking and carrying on to us. But anyway, it'll be all right.
One of my favorites.
He loves this
I say
one.
favorites to every video, but
no, you
truly,
don't.
this is one of my favorites. I do. I enjoy.
He really does.
Yeah.
It is good.
Y'all, Waffle House. I don't know all over the country if Waffle House is a thing or not. You know, they're known for their hash browns. Waffle House can't touch this.
Nah, well, this ain't hash.
It won't go to. You won't be going to Waffle House.
It's not the same, y'all. It is. You'll still go to Waffle House.
No, it's way better than that.
But anyway, this is, of course, you know what it is. Hashbrown Casserole.
It looks yummy.
So it is hopefully going to be yummy for you.
Let's quit talking about it.
Go ahead. Just dig on in there.
Yeah. Quit talking and start doing.
There you go. Just dig on in.
It's got a lot of cheese on top.
It does have a lot of cheese on top. We like a lot of cheese, so. It's a hit. It's a home run.
2 thumbs up, y'all.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Well, now.
Yeah, that's man. You can make that a meal. You don't even need nothing else.
You really don't, but you can add hamburger, like I said, hamburger, chicken.
Oh,
you can make
both.
it. It's a base for something good. Anything you want to throw in there.
You know, we have some debates from time to time about sides and what's a side and what's a meal.
Yeah.
And there's a video coming one day on that one, I promise.
Yes.
Throw a little bit of mystery out there. There's a certain person that knows exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, very good as always. This is this a Thanksgiving side video or
yep,
are we still doing those? Is that what this
we are? You can totally.
You can do that anytime, right?
You can do it anytime. Yes. But it might be that you don't know what you're going to take, and everybody's done chose all the sides. You know, we have a little checklist, and everybody picks their little sides first. So it might be something that you are just don't know what you're going to bring. This is a winner. It really is.
It's a hit. You make that, and they'll be happy with you.
It's good stuff.
That'd go great with dressing and turkey and ham. That'd go right on alongside it.
Yep. It'll go with anything.
Yeah,
anything.
Yeah, very good.
Yes.
Stuff.
Yep.
But it can be my supper because that's probably what it's gonna be, and that's great.
All right then.
Yeah.
All right, there's your meal then.
There's my supper.
There's your supper.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And
Thank you.
Yes, for the comments, for all the kind words. We sure appreciate it.
She loves it, y'all.
I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart to the very tip of my head to the tip of my toes. I'm so very thankful. But until next time.
Peace.